I'm Haley Butcher, and we're the CEOs of our company, L&L Sporting Scene.
So if you're going to go that way, go that way. Don't just be like, oh yeah, it's for athletes and everybody else. Just like go for it.
I think if you added L&L Sports, I think that would, write it as part of your label, then all people who are athletic are going to be attracted to that immediately.
Yeah, that looks very spa-like.
Yeah.
And that's fine, but not for that market. I'll offer $40,000 with 20%.
We'll take your offer.
I think you should sell it at Post.
Hi Sharks, my name is Jed Berger and I'm the founder and owner of Pocket Birdie. Pocket Birdie is a disc golf mini business, so when you're using mini in disc golf, it's just like a golf ball marker. So you
Hello Sharks, my name is Violet Marcy and I'm the founder and CEO of King Street Perfumery. I'm looking for a $6,000 investment for 10% equity. Here's the problem with other perfume retailers. I don't know if you've ever been perfume shopping in a department store, but it's really overwhelming. There's a ton of perfume everywhere. All the scents mingle in the air. You can't even smell the perfume you're trying to smell.
Probably in Minden this wouldn't really do as well, but knowing doing it in Charleston, I'll say maybe add some cologne, but I'll give you the $6,000 for 10% if you want.
All right, I'll accept that offer.
Good morning, my name is Judah Midlow.
And I'm Jacob Erickson.
This is 24/7 Hoops, where the game never stops.
So the big problem that we're seeing is that a lot of basketball gyms, especially in this area, in the entire northern Nevada area, a lot of the gyms get crowded and people often struggle to even find a basketball. Some people's schedules don't work with the gym schedule, and many places that offer basketball hoops don't offer them all the time. This can be due to court space being used for something else.
65 for.
You guys don't have 3 courts?
Yes, but one of the courts will have 6 different.
Can you add a 4th court, make 2 of them 24/7, and I'll do 75,000.
I like that deal. Yeah, that's a good deal.
Business is Kratos Minutes. Most gyms have hours that don't work for everyone. Mediocre drinks and food for nutrition, and the lack of equipment as the equipment stated. There's an example.
Our plan to make our gym stand out is our gym is 24/7, and it offers top-line equipment and a gym bar with food and protein drinks and pre-workouts provided.
I'd like a little bit more control of your business, and I'd probably, if I'm going to give you that kind of money, I'd want at least 50% of your business.
No, we would not do 50%.
No.
If you're willing to come down at all, but no, not 50%.
What's your guys' counter offer, Tom?
We could do 20%.
I could give you $20,000 for that.
That's not enough.
I feel like you guys' shirts though.
Thank you.
That's right. That's right.
Hello Sharks, my name is Canyon Ortiz. I am the founder and owner of Will Boyd Collection. We are a brand that specializes in fashion, as you see here, and media. So anything from videography, marketing, graphic design, photography. We're a faith-based company. We try and glorify God in just about everything that we create. And ultimately we are for those who have the will to do something. We also provide an incredible selection of streetwear, fashion, accessories. Here are just some examples of what we have, but there's plenty more products. My ask is for $80,000 or 10% of my company.
So you'd be doing online and you'd like to have a storefront?
Yep, yep. A storefront as the headquarters, you can come in, you can talk to people.
Old Amazon card, the $100. Second place gets the silver, which is $75. And third place gets the bronze, which is $50. And then we also have Pulse memberships as well for the top 3. And Emma, you want to share what those are?
First place is a 1-year free membership, second place is 6 months, and third place is 3 months.
Awesome. Is Abby Malone. Here you go. Here's your certificate. All right, taking second place, we got Addie and Haley. Good job, ladies.